Photosynthesis is ridiculous. There is more to it than was put on emphasis. It controls the color of our faces, gives off oxygen and sugar, so sweet you might even taste it in your booger. Light reaction is one of the actions, the energy from solar to chemical, all the time, everywhere, the process identical. Making chemical energy when light is captured. Electrons flow through the photosystems. In the plant there's a vein. Crush it and you might have a stain. Crush it and it will suffer pain. Why be mean? It gives off beta-carotene. It's so significant you can't even get it from a bean. Although sometimes very fast, chloroplast is what allows you and I to last. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2. They make oxygen that stops us from turning blue. You can look back in the past and you will see that there's always been chloroplast, and in my opinion it will forever last. Yes, I know the sun gives off heat, but it's also a stage of photosynthesis that repeats. Chlorophyll is what captures sunlight in the leaves, plants, and trees. Water, air, and sunlight is how a plant grows, and it ends up being cellulose. The big 3000 glucose units is always occurring on cellulose. As for all we know, it only occurs on one planet. Carbon dioxide, aka CO2, plus water equals good for you. Plants need all three of these things in order to synthesize. It helps them gain nutrients so we don't have to try. The reason most of the plants you see are the color green is not because of money, but chlorophyll in their genes. An explanation why plants do this is because our bodies can't. Plants do it for us, so don't give a shan't. Many things can happen during photosynthesis. I hope you remember it because you're taking a test on this. The test we will probably take in class is going to take a while. Maybe 50 questions or more, or well, it'll be in our file. Question number 1 to start is either simple or hard. The only way to find out is to leave your front yard. On your way to school, you're probably going to review on the bus ride because you know you might be screwed. If you didn't study, you should remember some of these facts. Water, CO2, and the sun are key ingredients for plants. Plants get soft and flexible if they aren't kept up. There's going to be written summaries, so don't get the hiccups. It will distract you from the test just like plants are attracted to the light. They don't get as easily scared as we might. Chloroplast and chlorophyll are not the same thing. If you answer that wrong in the test, then you weren't listening. I hope this refreshed your brain a bit. My name is Wonder, 1 hit.